Hey guys, I want to do a quick stash ad. I have a disaster of a bench and obviously working on my mud boss and stuff, but this thing I picked up and man, it's just too cool. I kind of one problem I don't like about it, I didn't realize it when I looked at the part thing. I wish I would have because I probably wouldn't have got it. But it's a curbside where it's got the motor already attached, motor and tranny. So there is no motor to build, which kind of sucks. It's got a real low part count, but I don't know. I'm gonna come up with something on it. Might do it kind of like a military ambulance, something like that maybe. But yeah, this thing's gonna be cool. Kind of a neat little deal here. So, but no, I just wanted to do a quick stash ad here. Been looking at this off and on when I go into Ollie's, and yeah, just kind of a neat car. Old '59 Cadillac ambulance. So, hell yeah. Be kind of neat, make it like a hearse or something like that, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I'd kind of like to do it since it's got the teeth and the eyeball. I'd kind of like do it maybe like some kind of military theme, like a military ambulance or something. Heck, who knows? But anyway, guys, just wanted to show you that little stash ad there. And man, I'm going to be busy this winter. But anyway, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And you guys all take care. Thanks.